how to check the coolant level. Here the filler cap for the coolant, and here the tank. On the side of the tank, the inner side, so we have two lines. One is F, one is low, full or low for the coolant. If we look at the side of the tank, the first line we can see here, that is F. Let me turn the camera into it. So you can see there's the F over here. So that's the F, that's the full line. And there's the low line, way down below over there. We can try to reach, change the camera, and you can see. So you can see there's the line over there at the bottom, and there's the L displayed. So that's the bottom L, and here is the top full. So the coolant should be between this F and the bottom there, low. So that the low between these two lines is correct. What about this car? The maximum line full is here, and the low line is down below over there. The coolant should be between F and L. And in this car, we're nearly at the top. So the coolant level is actually here. And it should be below this full line. So in this case, the coolant is too much. Overfilled coolant. Extra coolant should be taken out. To take out the extra coolant, we're going to use this hand washer liquid dispenser, this pump. We're going to siphon the extra coolant out. What I'm going to do is that I'm using this milk bottle to get the extra coolant. I'm going to take this into the coolant tank and pump and make all the extra coolant get into that milk bottle. The milk bottle seems to be too big, so I changed it to a cup. So I'm going to try to pump and get the extra coolant into the pump like this. So by the way, I'm going to get extra coolant out of the coolant tank. Okay, look, this is how much coolant I have taken out. So all here. Now the level is just below the full mark. So now you can see the coolant level is just below the F mark. So that is the right thing. So the low mark is down below, very low over there. The low line is over there, and the full mark is here. So the coolant level now is correct. So that's how we can take extra coolant out of the coolant tank. So this is the 2-pint milk bottle, 1.136 liter. And there's also scales at the corner. And here is a half liter. So we're nearly taken out half liter extra coolant from the coolant tank. Now we have got the coolant level correct. We can put this filler cap back on securely. This side first, and press on until you hear the click.